So here's how to clip video from YouTube automatically. And by the way, you can click on the link below to try out Opus Clip for free, which is in the description down below. Now, once you click on the link, it will redirect you over here. And from here, guys, as you can see, you can drop a video link over here. So when you click on this, you should be able to see here the supported video links that Opus Pro have. So as you can see, one of them is YouTube. So just simply go to YouTube, guys, and just simply select your video that you want to clip out. So just simply copy the URL over here, and after that, just simply drop a video link and click on get free clips. And now from here, guys, it will ask you to sign in into an account. So just simply continue with Google or Facebook. And from here, guys, make sure to choose the speech language. So the content of the video is on English, so make sure to select it. And now if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the genre. So from here, guys, make sure to provide the content of your video. So for this one, it is on motivational speech. And now we have here the clip length. So from here, guys, just simply choose the clip length that you prefer. So I'm gonna go for auto. And now from here, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the presets as well that Opus Pro have. So you can just simply select it based on your preferences. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one over here. And now I'm gonna go to the top again. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on get clips in one click. Now, once you have submitted the project, if we scroll down, we should be able to see it over here and just simply wait for it to load up, guys. And now once it is done, you can just simply click on it, guys. And from here, you should be able to clip video from YouTube automatically. So guys, this AI is a very powerful tool because this saves you a lot of time. And now, if you want to see the preview, you can just simply go ahead and click on the play button. And from here, you should be able to see the preview. And as you can see, the good thing about this clips is that it has a title already for you, and you should be able to see here the transcript, and you should be able to see here the rating of the video by the hook, by the flow, the value, and the trend, which is a very good AI application that help you save more time and do the work for you. And now from here, guys, you can just simply click on the download all button over here to download all the clips, or you can just simply manually download the clip over here one by one by clicking on this. And if you want to edit the clip, guys, you can just simply click on edit clip over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.